Hey guys, so I totally forgot to film an intro video and outro. I had something going on and it went over my head. But anyway, so we're just going to start off and go right into it. I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me concealer to carve out my eyebrows and use that as a base for my eyeshadow. To set my base, I'm going to be using the shade Mogul in the PUR, I'm going to say this wrong, Soyri Diaries palette. And I'm going to pick up that with my Morphe flat brush. For my transition shade, I'm going to be picking up the shade Silk Cream from the Jaclyn Hill palette. And I'm going to be using my Morphe M441 brush and applying that all over my crease. With the same brush, I'm going to be picking up the shade Pukey and applying that all over my transition shade. With my Kylie Cosmetics brush, I'm going to be picking up the shade Buns and applying that directly into my crease and gradually buffing up to create a nice blend. And I'm also going to focus this shade on the outer corners of my eye. With the Morphe M433 brush, I'm going to pick up the shade Creamsicle and apply that on my transition shade a little bit into my crease just to blend out any harsh lines that I have. With my Maybelline Fit Me concealer, I'm going to start applying that to my eyelid and carving out as to where I want the glitter shade to go. And when I'm done with that, I'm going to pick up this oval brush by Morphe. I'm not too sure what the number is because it's scratched off, but I'm going to be applying the shade Sissy with that brush and start putting it on there, packing it, and making sure it looks nice and blended. Alright guys, time to clean up that eyeshadow to make it look nice, sharp, and pretty. Again, I'm going to be grabbing this Maybelline Fit Me concealer and start cleaning that up. And you guys are going to be seeing me using this concealer a lot because I'm so in love with it. And after you're done with that, you're just going to blend that out with your beauty blender or whatever you like to blend with. Just to clarify, I did do my base after I did my eyeshadow and I just cut that part out to save some time. But going back to the video, I am smoking out my lash line with the shade Buns and I'm using this Eco Tool brush to do that. For lashes, I'm going to be using Cocoa Lashes in the style Monroe. I love these lashes so much. I believe they just came out with them and I recommend them if you guys want some new lashes. So I went ahead and applied that. And I highlighted my inner corners with my Lower Mercier highlight in the shade Gilded Honey.